If you want me to answer any question again and if you feel it's not come out right, you let me know.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो आ ही जाएगा.
Rock and roll.
Yes, I like it. It has to be there. It is very, very important that the kids get exposure, because see, all sports facilities, all exposure, we cannot give our children at home. So it is very important. But one thing which I don't like is that on the name of giving holistic exposure to the child, the study has taken a back seat. Now everybody comes and say that yes, don't pressurize children, and it's not very important. So when they say study is not important, I have a problem with this, because with the rising competition, the child should be intelligent enough, and for the intelligence, the studies are important. He should know how to evaluate a particular area. Suppose even if he's a painter or even if he is a sports person, he should be intelligent enough to decode these statistics, and for that the studies are important. Yes, of course, I don't think anybody is pressurizing their children nowadays, but this attitude of studies are not important, I'm not very good with it.
I feel it will again depend from child to child. It has to be child driven, but exposure is extremely important. So currently my son, he learns keyboard and he goes for swimming. I feel outdoor sports are also very important, but again it will be choice driven. I will not be putting him in any classes, just because I want him to learn something or I have not been able to learn in my own, my childhood.
See, extracurricular activities is very, very important, I agree. But as far as my child is concerned, he is not very willing to go to many classes. If I'm sending him to dance class, if I'm sending him to this class, that class, he's not very interested. He want to be a free bird. He just want to play with his friends. So I don't pressurize him for that also, because there is a long way to go and he can anyways learn these things sometime later also. So I don't think this is very important for me. Yes, obviously for extra classes, I am sending into phonetics class, which will definitely improve his basics of English, and I am sending into QMath class also, which will be very useful for him for the fundamentals of mathematics. But for extracurricular, yes, I am myself a singer. I am a professional singer. And he is, so he comes with me to the class and he enjoys the music. So that is it. And he also sings at home. So that is fine with me. Whenever he will say that, Mama, I want to go to this class, I will definitely send him, but not right now, because he is not very keen on it. He want to do everything, but in his way, in his own way, he want to do everything. He can't be that bound, that I will not do this thing in a certain way. I will do it myself in my own way. So this is it.
No, I didn't think so much, because in my elder child, I have done a lot of things, made him do the things, but it never turned up so rightly in his education system or something. So I don't feel it's too good for going for all the other classes.
Yes, they are a must, because that's what the children understand what they want to do ahead. Along with the formal education, you also need to have some kind of vocational talent in you as of today, as the world is going. So just for your information, my younger daughter, she already wants to become a dancing teacher and she wants to open her own cookery class when she's 20. So I never stop her from doing that.
I leave the school to do the education bit. Back home, maybe we just go through when we have our assessments or exams or whatever, but predominantly we are into extracurricular. So for now, both my kids, they go in for drawing class, dance class, chess class, skating class, tennis class, no studies.
Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, he goes for keyboard and he goes for swimming currently, and we will be exploring a outdoor sport between cricket and tennis, again depending on his choice.
Yes. His study part I take care of, because of course I'm not pressurizing him too much. There's a bit of study we do every day. He goes for his cricket, football, swimming. So he goes for these 3 classes which I send him.
My elder one goes for singing. She loves singing. She used to do piano also, but she's discontinued that right now. And the younger one is going for dance class, for drawing class, And there was one Q Maths that I put her, just for something challenging.
Moms know best.
Moms know best.
Moms know best.
Moms know best.